All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get your rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. It's down slightly right now, about 18 to 20%. This could be a good time to be getting your discount cryptocurrency. We'll talk about that. Also, Elon Musk wants everybody to ditch certain companies. He encourages people to ditch cryptocurrency exchanges. Elon Musk looking out for all of us. And Cardano listed major losses after eToro says they may actually pull them from the listing. So all kinds of hot stuff going on in Dodge. Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving time. I hope you all watched the parade this morning. We all got to do that, eat some turkey, gravy, all the good fixings and stuff. And then of course watch football today. And then sit on the couch and go to sleep a little bit. It's Thanksgiving, so we're all thankful for being here. So with that, let's go ahead and head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, Dogelon Mars is at 125 right here on Coin Market. In the last 7 days, it's down almost 20%, 19.66. In the last 24 hours, it's down 10%. So checking this, again, over to the right here, Dogelon Mars is down about 9%. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and it's 14.12 is the price. Down 20% right this second. This could be the time to get your discount on your cryptocurrency. Take a look in the last 7 days. It was all the way up here, and it started to kind of come down to the right, and it's kind of been on a little downward spiral for the last 7 days. So the coin is down about 19 to 20%. Heading over to the Twitter account. Well, guess what? Dogelon Mars is now listed on Swap Space Co. with over 600 pairs. No sign up is required. Routing with 15 different exchanges to ensure the best rate. Looking right here, Dogelon Mars is on swapspace.co. Heading over here to SwapSpace. It says more than a crypto exchange. We pick the best. You make the choice. You know how it works over here? You choose a pair, then you select the best rate, you transfer your funds, and then you receive your coins. When you choose a pair, you choose the cryptocurrency you would like to exchange among the 800 coins and tokens to pick from. The drop, type the number of coins you want to swap. So right over here at swapspace.co, you can actually now get your Dogelon Mars. So fantastic, another place you can get Dogelon Mars cryptocurrency. Also, we're like over here on the Twitter account, together, Dogelon Mars, we decided they're going to gift 38,000,000 Elons to 2 followers. So right here, tag yourself in it. They're giving away some actual cryptocurrency for Thanksgiving. It's a Thanksgiving giveaway from Dogelon Mars. So hey everybody, that's fantastic. So what is Dogelon Mars? Technically it's a fork of Dogecoin, in the same sense a knife to a fork of a spoon. I have named it after the city of Mars, the capital, Dogelon. The ticker is Elon, E-L-O-N, which should help prevent any confusion. I'm launching this currency today in anticipation to bring the first settlers to Mars for the specific reason to help people take a trip with me. A lot of good people have hopes of one day reaching the moon. Well, in my opinion, of course, this is a very low aspiration. We want to reach Mars and beyond. However, many of those good people are rugged. So Dogelon Mars is going to help some people in the future that are getting scammed with scam tokens and buying tokens that are not worth anything. So you got to admit, it's kind of cool that this token's destination is not to go to moon. It's actually to go to Mars. So Dogelon Mars going to go to Mars. That's fantastic. With that, let's jump over to Elon Musk. He wants you to ditch the different crypto exchanges. Here's what I mean by that. It says right here, Elon Musk encourages people to ditch crypto exchanges like Binance or Robinhood. It says it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. And here he is kind of pointing to his Dogecoins and everything, and he's got Ethereum in the background. But his concern is it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. The Tesla CEO Elon Musk took a stance against the crypto exchanges in a Tuesday tweet on Twitter. Someone breaking the ecosystem. Like Binance and Robinhood promoting another gulp. Not your keys, not your crypto. And Musk tweeted exactly in reply. In the simple terms, cryptocurrency wallets contain both public and private cryptographic keys, and their name suggests. One type is known for the other, while the other is not. Only the private key is unable to lock your funds. When buying cryptocurrency through exchanges like Binance and Robinhood, customers aren't actually in possession of these keys. I don't know if you know that. So when you go to Robinhood and Binance, they're holding your coins for you, so they hold the keys. In other words, exchanges may have the possession of owning, buying, and trading cryptocurrency easily, perhaps the biggest reason for their continued success, but they don't issue any real credentials to customers. Their approach to wallets differs greatly from like Coinbase. Coinbase hosts the crypto wallets online. Robinhood doesn't support crypto wallets at all. It makes them exchanges on the marketplace on your behalf of the customer. So give us your comments in the bottom. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel, again, is to help every single person on the planet learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, one day buy cryptocurrency and even own it. All our information is for educational purposes only. So give us your comments here. Buying on Binance and buying on Robinhood. I mean, a lot of us have accounts with them, but they're saying that maybe Coinbase is better. You should have your own wallet. Obviously, Binance is real big and Robinhood's real big. Coinbase is real big. Give us your thoughts on that. With that, a little news over here. You know, little Cardano ADA piles on major losses after eToro discloses plans to delist the token over the U.S. regulatory concerns. Top line, Cardano ADA token plummet to the lowest price in more than 3 months on Wednesday after the popular retail trading platform eToro announced the plans to delist the cryptocurrency in the United States due to regulatory concerns, making ADA the latest victim of a murky regulatory water that has repeatedly plummeted to the crypto market. Holy, holy, everybody. What's going on over here? Pushing the token nearly 49% below an all-time high of $3.10 in September. Plunge starting Tuesday shortly after eToro, one of the world's largest exchanges, retail traders announced it will delist ADA and Tron tokens in the United States on December 26, using buying cryptocurrency and earning rewards on them. The Israel-based eToro said the changes were brought due to the business-related considerations in evolving regulatory environments, and added that the users will still be able to sell any tokens they already have. So, oh boy, Cardano is maybe losing a listing here coming at the end of December for eToro. Doesn't sound too good. Probably, and again, the token is down like 49% from its high about 3 or 4 months ago. So give us your comments in the bottom. What do you think about that? So with that, let's head back over to Dogelon Mars. Well, there we got a little Dogelon flying in. We're actually on the website at dogelonmars.com. A couple things about Dogelon. It's got a little story, how basically he got pushed over to Earth. Basically, the Himalayas were getting him, and he had to go to Earth. And Dogelon knew in order to assist the technology involvement of mankind, he would first need to establish an intergalactic currency, one that could be used by all the people and civilizations that could integrate with the space technology of the coming era. Well, basically, isn't that pretty cool? I am Dogelon Mars. Come join me together. We will reach for the stars. 50% of the tokens, the tokenomics, were permanently locked up in Uniswap. 50% were donated to the VB as a gesture of peace, who later gifted his tokens to charity. Over on the comics, you got some NFTs you can buy if you wanted to. You got comment number 1, you can make an offer. You got MetaMask is a very popular Coinbase wallet, Wallet Connect. You make your offer. And then of course, you got comment number 2 over here. So what's our price prediction? Well, Dogelon Mars is down about 20% in the last 7 days. We know this coin's going to be bouncing back up. There's all kinds of things happening. The market is going up and the market is going down. I actually do see it basically coming back. I actually think it's going to crush one of these zeros by the end of first quarter of next year. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but it's too much in the news. People are talking about it. Dogelon is getting listed on that. It's getting listed on this. It's just too popular of a meme coin. And guess what? It's not going to the moon. It's going to Mars. So again, being Thanksgiving today, I hope everybody has a fantastic day. Eat a lot of Thanksgiving turkey and eat the potatoes and all the good stuffings and stuff. Make sure you sit on the couch and relax, watch some football, enjoy yourself. You got Dogelon Mars. It's down about 19 to 20%. Could be a good time to get into Dogelon Mars or readjust your pricing. Elon Musk wants to make sure you get away from those different crypto exchanges that are holding the keys and you're not holding the keys. And Cardano is in hot water with basically losing a listing for eToro. So with all that, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Click right here to see our most recent video. Everybody have a fantastic Turkey Day today.